I wanted a new fresh paint here in the living room, and this color by Benjamin Moore, Nantucket Breeze, I felt was so airy and beautiful. We also replaced our rug for a much more summery but all season rug. It's a natural woven rug with scalloped edges that I love. I had found these standard pillowcase shams while thrifting one day, and I thought that they complemented our new wallpaper that's over in the dining room. So I thought they would be really lovely, even though they're for a bed to just place here on the couch. I mean, why not? I think that the pop of color really complements the room, and I think they look just beautiful. I love the sweet birds and floral details that are on them. I also thought this thrifted granny square crocheted blanket that I found was absolutely gorgeous and would be the perfect addition in here for the summertime, being that it's got vibrant, colorful details to it. I'm going to just lay it here over our ottoman. I don't focus really on making sure every little thing matches. I love to mix pattern and color and textures. It's what creates your space to have that curated, collected look and coziness. I just recently added this sweet little plant to the top of my bookshelf over here and added these really sweet ruffled green gingham pillows. I have a great friend that I have met over on Instagram. She is an artist and she has painted a couple of pictures for me that I'm going to hang over here on this wall in this space. I think that they complement each other so well. The top one is of sunflowers and the bottom one is my most recent gift from her, and I just absolutely think that they are stunning. Her name is Marcy Ray, and she's over at Marcy Ray Art on Instagram if you'd like to check out all of her beautiful artwork. And she does do commissions as well. If you're interested in anything, just send her a message and let her know. And I paired them with these beautiful frames. One I ordered and the top I actually thrifted and just rub and buffed. I'm gonna place some of these extra pussy willow stems I had from the spring here in this beautiful pottery jar I have, and I've put some sunflowers in the other one, and I think that this really just has a summery touch and complements the room. And lastly, in the evenings, I love using this little battery operated crystal lamp. It just sets the mood and it's the perfect lighting if you don't like a lot of overhead lighting. I think it's just too sweet. I will link this in my description below. So something I've been wanting to create for our garden patio was a barn quilt. I've been seeing them here and there, and I just thought it was the perfect cottage touch to add out there. I love sunflowers, so I am going to design a sunflower quilt. My husband cut a 24-inch by 24-inch piece of really thin, like a plywood, and I'm just going to make the outline here of the pattern and paint it in with just acrylic paint, and then we're gonna go hang it outside. I've also been meaning to put together this trellis for our watermelons and pumpkins that are in the raised bed. So I'm gonna put this together and then we're gonna take it outside. So I've hung it here on the back part of our wall in the house. I've gathered some flower clippings. I'm just going to put them in a vase of water here to carry inside. And I'm so excited about the way this turned out. It's so cute and just adds a bit of decor for out here on our back garden patio. And it's just a little touch of cottage, and the sunflower makes me smile. Now I still need to put some sort of varnish or lacquer on it, so I'm not going to keep it out here in the weather elements. I'll carry it back into our little garden shed, but for now it looks really sweet. So these are the watermelon. I got pumpkins already sprouting up. So whenever the watermelons hopefully are done by this summer, I can go ahead and then have the pumpkins going for the fall. But here is our trellis. And you can see there's a watermelon, a watermelon, a watermelon. They're kind of here and there. So cute. So I did just recently go to Trader Joe's. I love their half moon cookies. So I'm gonna put them, I like to display them. Any of my cookies, whether if I make them, buy them, I put them in my little glass dome. I guess it's like a cake holder. I got these beautiful little pot of, I think they're called kalanchoe flowers. I just love the sweet yellow. I got a watermelon. We love watermelon during the summer. And then I did get another little bushel of some eucalyptus. I love to hang that in my shower, especially during the summer months. It just smells so refreshing when you take a shower. I'd like to make a lemon basil sugar scrub. I use a sugar scrub very often, especially during the summer months, because I do a lot of gardening. And my friend from over at Heidi's Humble Home, she taught me how to make these scrubs, and I'm so thankful because I absolutely love them, and they really make your hands super soft. I use coconut oil in mine, so I'm gonna make me a new fresh batch here for my sink, and I usually have some left over. I might gift this to my neighbor. So all the ingredients call for is regular sugar. I use about 2 to 3 cups. And then I'm going to juice a couple of lemons here and then use some basil clippings. I'm gonna put this in a little food chopper and shred them up, and then combine all the ingredients into a bowl. And then I add in just 1 or 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So I love this little thrifted jar with a lid, and I have this other one that I use quite frequently. If you ever see these at the thrift store, pick them up. They come in so handy, not only for things for the fridge, but I'm gonna place the extra here in this little jar. I love its gingham little lid here, and I'm just going to spruce it up some so it makes as a good gift for my neighbor.